Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kylan and today I'm going to show you guys how I created this smoky sultry eye look. I realize I've only showed you guys natural makeup on this channel before, so I'm so excited. Starting off, I'm using the Soothing Priming Milk from Point of View to help soften and hydrate my skin. Then I'm using their Glazy Tack Primer to make sure my foundation will stick on really well. Then using Huda Beauty's Easy Blur Primer, I'm just going to apply it on areas where I have larger pores or texture. I'm aiming for a flawless matte finish today, so I chose to use Bobbi Brown's Skin Weightless Foundation. I always go over the brush strokes later with a damp sponge. Then using a lighter concealer shade from Hourglass, I'm brightening my under eyes. Then bringing that onto my nose bridge to highlight that area. Then using a pressed powder to set and blur everything together. Next, we're just gonna follow my natural brow shape and fill it in with a pencil. This is one of my favorite contour palettes from Judy Doll because I just love the matte highlighter. It acts like an eraser for my dark circles by highlighting and plumping my under eyes. I like to use the cooler tone in the palette to contour my nose. Remember to also contour the side of your nose if you want your nose to look smaller. Then I use a darker shade in the contour palette to contour my face. For the eyes, starting off with a warmer toned brown and using that all over the eyelids. Then grabbing a shimmery darker toned brown, I'm actually applying it closer to the lash line. And then just blend. Then lining the inner lash line and waterline with a black gel liner. And then using a black liquid liner, I'm using this one from MAC because it's very sharp, to just pull out a cat wing. You can use any black eyeshadow. I'm just using this one from Huda Beauty because it's very rich in color. And then just use that to line my lower lash line, and using a precision brush, blend that out. Make sure to bring it to the inner corners and line very closely towards the lash line. Then blending out the top liquid liner with a little bit of black eyeshadow as well. Layering the center of the eyelids with a bronzy shadow. Then topping it up with a beautiful gold glitter shadow. And then going in with this gold liquid glitter from Urban Decay and applying it in my inner corners. I love how this brush tip is so thin and easy to apply. This bronzer is actually a little bit too warm for me, so I'm using it as a blush for my face. And then layering my favorite neutral blush from MAC, Warm Soul, to create a very beautiful gradation. And then using Bobbi Brown's Afternoon Glow highlighter to add a warm shine onto the face. Mainly adding that onto my nose bridge, cheekbones and cupid's bow. And using a lighter to warm up my lash curler and curling my lashes before applying falsies. And that's how my eyes look with false lashes. And then using concealer to lighten my natural lip color before applying lip liner on my lips. I'm applying my darker neutral lip liner on top of my lighter neutral lip liner. And then on top, layering Bobbi Brown's Bold Honey lipstick. And finally, I'm using a lighter nude lip gloss to blend everything together. And here, I want to show you guys some new contact lenses I got from Coleyes and unbox them with you. So I got 5 pairs in preparation for Halloween, and let's choose the most suitable one together. The first one is called Norko Brown. I love how pretty and gentle this soft brown looks, and it also very naturally enlarges my eyes, giving off a doll-like look. Next one is called Butterfly Brown. The light color shows off very intensely on my dark eyes and almost looks golden. I love how mesmerizing and glowy it makes my eyes look. The third one is called Lovejoy Violet, and I'm telling you, this one is magical. As soon as I put this one on, I feel like a fairy who don't belong in this world. Next one is called Maya Green. This one is so intense. I'd only be wearing this with heavy makeup. And last one, Sassy Brown. It's so intense that honestly, other than Halloween makeup, I don't know when I wear this. So in the end, I decided that Butterfly Brown would suit this makeup the most, and here's the final look. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye!